Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to the BONK update today. And BONK really touched down towards 1217. And there's war going on. There's fights going on in the world out there right now. So basically, this has been a little bit bad. So I'm gonna open up this chart here on right there. So yesterday, what I told you was that if BONK, the lowest you can actually go for BONK is all the way down to 936. So basically you had some of your pattern, you went down like this, you moved sideways like that, and then you created all this huge descending triangle, which again is a negative candle. So this time, unfortunately, as I told you before, and I'm telling you again and again, that yes, you had one descending triangle that broke up. You have one descending triangle here, unfortunately, that really broke to the downside. Now, yesterday, what I was looking forward to is a retest. Now, retest did not happen, and that's where we're still in a very kind of a sad situation right now. I understand it's frustrating, very, very frustrating, but now this here is a target 936. There's nothing else I can say. So when the target gets met, hopefully down here, we're going to see what happens next. All I'm going to say and leave you with a note is that this again is your last place of support, because anytime you came down to this floor, which was one touch here, another one there, another one here, and another one right there, this is exactly where the demand zone really is. That's your big support moving forward. Perhaps another buying opportunity for those who couldn't get it down here. And that's pretty much it for the update. I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.